What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Sulu Wise. On this channel I show you different ways to make money online. We talk about freelancing, AI tools, crypto opportunities, airdrop, and many other legit online income that can help you earn from anywhere in the world. Today I have another opportunity I want to share with you. I recently came across a platform that caught my attention, and I think it's something you should know about, so I really want to share it with you. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so that you don't miss this opportunity that I'm about to share with you. The platform is called Soniki Chidiya. Yes, that is the platform, Soniki Chidiya. Right now, Soniki is expanding globally, and what makes it interesting is that it's completely free to join. You don't have to pay anything to create an account. Another reason I wanted to make this video is because the platform is still in its early stage, and as we have seen many times in the online space, people who get into good projects early often have the biggest advantage later on. Now, I'm not saying this will become the next Bitcoin, and nobody can promise that, but if you miss early opportunities like Bitcoin years ago, this might be one of those projects you will at least want to look into while it's still new. So in this video I'll explain what Soniki is, how to create your account, how to set up your wallet, and the different way you can earn rewards on the platform. I'll also tell you what you should know before joining so you can make your own decision. But before we start, I'd like to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. I only do videos based on what I've tested, and I think it's something that my audience will still like. So that is what I also still bring here, so that you too can also check it out. So before you make any financial decision, make sure to do your own review, do your own research, and make your own decision. So without more further ado, let's get started. So what exactly is Soniki Chidiya? Soniki is a free community reward platform where users can collect digital reward by completely simple activities inside the app. The platform has its own digital token called SKC. If you are new to crypto, don't worry, it's very easy to understand. I'm going to break everything down. Think of it as this: just like Bitcoin have BTC and Ethereum have ETH. Yeah, Soniki has its own digital asset called SKC. SKC is the token that powers the Soniki ecosystem. Now let me show you exactly how to get started. The first thing you need to do is click the link in the description or the pinned comment below this video. Once you click the link, it will take you to the Soniki website. Yeah, it will take you to their website. Scroll down until you see the option for Google Play and web app. If you are using an Android phone, you can simply tap Google Play. It will take you straight to the Play Store where you can download the app. Go ahead and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Now let's create your wallet. Tap on account to begin. The first thing you will see is the country selection. Yes, that is the first thing you will see. If you are in India, if you live in India, or you are a Buddhist, you can choose the country you want to. Here, just choose the country. If your country is not there, just choose others, select others. So since I'm in Nigeria, I'll be selecting others. Just like you can see on the screen, I'm selecting others since I'm in Nigeria. If your country is not listed there, just choose others. Next, enter your phone name and your email address. Below that, you will see a box where you need to enter a referral code. This step is important. You will find my referral code in the description and also in the pinned comment below this video. You need to use the referral code. You need to use my referral code while registering so that you will get a bonus. Yes, enter the code before you continue. After filling in your details, tap send verification email. The platform will send a verification code to your email address. Open your email address, copy the code, then come back to the app and paste it in the verification box. Once you have done that, tap create account and secure device. The app will now ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face or lock, or your phone password. Once you are done that, tap create account and secure device. The app will now ask you to verify your identity using your fingerprint, face unlock, or your phone password. I'm going to use my fingerprint. Now pay close attention to this next part because it's one of the most important steps in this video. Yes, the app will show you something called a secret recovery phase. Make sure you don't miss this part. Pay attention. This is like the master key to your wallet. If someone gets access to this recovery phase, they can also access your wallet. So never share it with anyone. Don't send it to anyone. Don't post it online. Keep it somewhere safe where only you can find it. Yes, you can write it down on paper or save it securely offline. After you have saved it, tap save, allow the necessary permission, and your wallet will be created. That's it. Your Soniki Chidiya wallet is now ready for you to use. Now, here is something interesting that I know that you would really love to know. Yes, it's very interesting because this is also one of the reasons why I decided to actually test out this platform. As soon as your wallet is created, you will notice that your account already have a starting balance worth $20. Let's now look at the different way you can increase the balance. When you first sign up, the platform give you 200,000 SKC, which is currently displayed as approximately $20 inside the app. That is your welcome reward. Now, there are 4 main ways you can earn more SKC from this platform. The first method is through referral. Yes, at the top right corner of your dashboard, tap the share button. You will see your personal referral link. Simply copy the link and share it with your friends, family, and anyone who wants to join the platform. According to the app, sharing your referral link can earn you additional 50,000 SKC. When I completed this step, my balance increased from about $20 to $25. That's how the referral reward work inside this platform. The second way to earn is through daily community activities. Inside the app, you will find simple daily tasks. One of those tasks is lighting a virtual candle each day. Yes, every day, just light it, just as how all this airdrop platform work, and that is how it works. It's very simple and only take a few seconds. After completing the task, the platform rewards you with additional SKC. The third way to earn is by building your own community. When people join using your referral link and remain active on the platform, you can continue earning rewards based on their activity. So the more active your team becomes, the more SKC you may receive. The fourth way is simply by staying active yourself. Yes, staying active yourself. Log in regularly, complete available activities, and participate in the platform. Doing this can help you continue growing your SKC balance over time. Now, before we end this video, I want to be completely transparent with you. Soniki is still in its early development stage. Right now, withdrawals are not yet available on the platform. Also, there is no official date for when SKC will become exchangeable for USDT or local currency. So at this stage, what you are doing is collecting SKC while the project continue to develop. That is why I always encourage you to have the right expectation. Don't think of this as instant money. Instead, think of it as collecting a digital asset early while the platform still growing. My personal approach is simple. Since it's free to join, I can spend a few minutes each day completing the available activities and collecting more SKC. If the project grows successfully in the coming future, and SKC become exchangeable, that is great. Yes, that will definitely be great. If it doesn't, I haven't spent any money. I've only invested a little of my time. So for me, that risk to exchange balance reward makes sense. Yes, it makes sense because you don't spend any money. So even if at the end you don't do well, you don't lose your money, it's only your time you just spent. But remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research before joining any platform or making any financial decision. If you would like to check it out yourself, you will find my referral link in the description and the pinned comment below. Simply click the link, download the app, create your account, use my referral code, and start collecting your SKC. Now, I would like to hear from you if you have heard about Soniki before, or if this is the first time you'll be trying it out. I'd like to hear for you. And if you have any question at all, drop it in the comment section and I'll be ready to give answers to all your questions. So guys, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you on the next one.